Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper and welcome back. I'm just quickly popping in to let you know that there is a flash sale happening at the Card Maker Success Summit, Christmas in July. So I was one of the presenters and I really had a blast. There were so many amazing presentations and so much inspiration, and I've actually tried out a few of the tutorials and I will try and remember to link them in the description below. I did a couple of them as my lives, so just if you want to take a look and see how I was inspired by the classes, you can do that there. But I'm also going to be doing some more of them, and I really appreciate that I can still keep going back and refreshing my memory because it's not so good. So if you didn't get the All Access Pass last time, then now's the time, because it's only on sale from now until October 30 Eastern Time at midnight, so you need to get in quick. And it's $49 US dollars, so it's a bargain for 4 days worth of presentations and so much Christmas and holiday inspiration and techniques and ideas. It's really, if you just don't know what you're going to be doing or you need some ideas, you can go and have a look at any time. You've got ongoing access. So I will put the link for the flash sale as well in the description below. So it is an affiliate link, so if you do click on my link and buy the All Access Pass, then I say thank you very much, because I will receive some payment for that, and it's a great way that you can support me if you choose to buy it. I have more inspiration coming up real soon using some of the tutorials from the Card Makers Summit, and I can't wait to share those with you. So keep a close eye on my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the notification button so that when these videos come up, you will know that I've been busy creating cards. So I look forward to seeing you here again real soon. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.